The idea for 3DAPARTMENT.com came from dealing with the personal challenges of renting an apartment. We asked ourselves, wouldn't it be cool to be able to search for an apartment and browse extra furniture, art pieces, and fit in the space to find the perfect design scheme?
In this day and age, over 90% of buyers begin their home searches online. Virtual staging allows us to showcase the property's full potential, allowing buyers to easily visualize their own furniture in a space, making virtual staging a really powerful marketing tool.
On the property management side, you can actually increase net operating income by decreasing your vacancy loss years ahead. Let's say you captured all of your units. Now next year, you just can put it on market 30 days ahead and line up all the applications.
Virtual staging is significantly more affordable than traditional home staging. Our clients can avoid the hassle of moving, the scratching of floors and walls, and those very costly furniture rentals.
We believe that all properties will be managed digitally in the future, and now with the 3DAPARTMENT.com and Matterport, we can deliver better virtual leasing experience.